See?
See? Now it's recorded. Go ahead and see now the time is moving.
Yeah. So that was one half. We took it off and then we did this one.
Thanks, baby.
Bear flag up, down, big bear
I think.
flag up. And so this, this is going on. You have your A, B, C, which might be a D and a D direction down the movie. Actually, I bet he's going to have them. I bet it's going to go back to $60 for
I'm freezing again. Heck. Who cares? I could stand in here all night and all day.
So this our side, this is
Well, the phone's about to fall, it looks like. Okay, now I can finish a shiver.
Huh?
I said now I can shiver. Okay. Has to happen. I'm cold.
With the wind chill, I'm sure it's dropped.
Can I hire her? Could I hire the thing a little bit? A little up here now.
Is that good?
Yeah, now I can see. Oh, this is actually way better.
Good job, babe.
Yeah, well, that's why you have to
That's good.
like, we're still,
It was too low. That's what was wrong. I'm thinking perfectly now.
you see that? There we go. So we're still in a downward direction. We want to have the, I wouldn't get it yet.
Come on, girls. Go help. You guys gotta move around.
Come on.
It's a that's called
Hustle, Karima, hustle!
Go, baby!
price is lower, our side stronger. So she's probably brought it down, but it's time to get it.
Ooh, a little bit harder and it would have.
Good try.
It was a little. Oh, dang it. Oops. If she hit it a little bit harder, it would have made it.
Yep. So if I see on this next jump, this is holding like it's going to jump. And if it jumps down to $60,
Great, girls.
Get
up there for a pass, girls.
Go!
Nice, Sam.
You know you're at a good price.
That's kind of funny.
So as the price is going up, RSI.
That's how soccer players are.
Price is going up. RSI.
You could tell she's fishing. Oh, she was literally rolling.
I don't know.
That's
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I could tell she's fishing. Because if she was actually hurt, then she would not have got up.
Well, the girls are nothing like that.
What?
Hey, girls, get ready.
And another reason. Oh my gosh, when are we I hope I'm not. I'm gonna move a little bit back.
Kind of a bear flag right there.
Ah! 2 over.
Good job, 38.
Look at the value here. This is how the pulse. Look at the RSI there.
Good job!
It's the RSI there. It looks stronger.
Go, Karima!
Yeah, so look at these
No. I couldn't see.
So yeah. Each candle represents one week. Each candle is one.
Come on, ladies, get one.
See, look at this.
Come on, Luna.
It's starting to. It's getting some
Nice,
strength.
baby.
So as it rounds, the bottom rounds, it's getting more. That's
Come on, girls.
Stay on it, girls. Go get it.
Yeah, and then so you see the other side, you see that there, it's getting positive, it's getting stronger, but you're having one final dip.
Good job, girls.
You know, when that other side
Move
starts
it up.
getting stronger, at the bottom of the bottom.
There you go. Go,
That's
Karima.
look at the
Hustle.
volume. This is volume right there. The volume is super. Yeah, that's like that's
And then, so, and then right here's your second.
no, well, they're holding on.
Come on, girls.
They're
You've
kinda
got to
holding on.
pass.
Come
And that volume's incredible right there.
And what is the
Nice.
That,
That saved
call.
our butts that time.
on
Good
where?
job, baby,
On the,
good
on the
job.
volume? Yeah, on the volume. That just means on the day it was down or the day was up.
Even if, like, because I see two red panels right next to each other.
Yeah.
Watch your
Yeah,
side.
That's just the volume.
Whoa,
So
where
that
is it?
just means that like look at all this up here, all this selling going on. So you see lots of red candles right there. It's going down, but still not a lot of volume right there. But here, you know, people are buying.
Come on, girls.
It's just a ton of volume. So that's when you know it's time to get in. So, but if you look over here. Can't get at it.
That girl gave me the meanest look. She's on that side. She's on that
Yeah,
side
so
now.
right now, you got no volume.
She's right there.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be right. It's gonna come down.
Because this once it crashes down,
It's gonna be fine. Yes, it's not too bad.
our side right away.
It's all. Yeah,
Come
so
on.
As you can see, yeah, it's a very strong. It's gonna drop.
Move up, girls.
So you can see
Get up there,
Come on.
Run, Karima.
those are our sides, and this gets getting ready to show some strength. I think this next dip, we're gonna see some strength in the RSI.
So when the RSI is relatively low in volume, even though we're on a downward trend.
So I think the RSI, I don't know the exact calculation.
What?
Wait, yeah.
How's the relative strength?
I am a very bad recorder.
Your hand is so full.
Oh yeah, down right there. Close. Oh. Oh.
Is how rapid and or selling. Rest of the buying, rest of the selling, it's gonna be
Yeah,
just kind of
stop the
casual.
ball, not just kick it.
Flat.
Slots where you kick it.
Well, the period is just where they're
Where's Team Karima?
right now. I got the 3 week. Yeah, exactly.
Come on, May, turn it.
Better you can forecast.
Wrong direction.
Oh, I'm shivering.
Yeah, exactly. So
You want to take a break?
I think I'm good.
Okay.
You need a break, Grandma?
No,
Take a break.
I'm fine.
Why don't you put your other sweater back on?
No,
It's crazy.
Put your back on.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I'm doing something.
I can do it for 2 seconds while you put on your jacket.
He told her money, so she's like, I gotta do it.
Right, the same dollar.
yes, yes. Exactly. I would not.
Unless you're actually, and it's funny money, and you need to put $2,000 away on something that's
on, Riley.
Yeah, that's the issue, right? Yeah, that's the
For you girls.
There you go.
Nice. Hustle, Karima.
Okay, you ready?
Good job, Luna. Get up there, baby. Nice.
Again.
Wait, now I can't see.
Stay on it.
Come on, May. Get down there.
Nice.
Way to go, Callie.
Good job, Callie. Get up there. Nice.
There you are, Karima. Follow it.
Come on, Karima. Come on.
Oh!
Good.
If she tilted her foot a little bit that way, it would have made it.
She's getting where she needs to be.
Yep.
She's not passing.
Oh my. Wait, which one do you move to get it higher? Do you move another one to get it higher or just one?
You don't need to move it higher.
I know,
You're
I just...
okay, baby. Just because then you're gonna block us. So you're looking good.
Watch it.
Come on, May. Good. Good.
Get on it. Get your person. Good job, Luna. Stay on it, baby. Stay on.
Come on, May. Good. Come on, girls. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Offside. Woo.
Okay, I'll try back on.
Offside.
So did that goal count?
No.
Let's go.
Offside. Good.
What I would do, if anything would happen, I'd put Kramer in the back and see how far they could kick it and try to kick it over everyone's head and then run a play.
Get onside, get
Yeah,
onside.
they just took your sister out, though. They did.
And that's
Get onside. Scarlett, get onside.
So
Oh, what is... Wait! What?
They didn't kick it correctly, and that's why they got it.
They got a penalty the way they kicked it.
That's what they wanted her to do.
The way they kicked it, they're not supposed to.
This is
like,
so
The
long.
way they did it is wrong.
I love you, Kima.
I don't get it.
Hey, it's
Yeah, I
warm.
never really like if you touch it too, like you roll it or too much or something. Like it's some weird thing. I don't remember. I just know they've done that before and they've been warned before.
I'm happy I'm not gonna be that I'm not in basketball anymore. What's a technical foul mean?
That's where I'm out of information.
But
What's a technical foul for?
I've never seen one in soccer.
I've only seen.
Come on!
Keep going.
Hey, handball.
That's ridiculous.
That's a handball.
Come on, May. Good.
This is the laggiest game I've ever
Come on,
seen.
girls, get it back.
They can't.
Nice, Scarlett.
Other way, Riley.
Good job, Riley.
Good
Get
job.
it out.
Great job, Riley.
You go,
Come
Ray.
on, girls, let's go.
Get in front. Get in front.
Their foot control is really good.
Oh yeah.
That's their biggest experience, I think.
Job, Callie.
That's their snaps.
Come on, girls, get up there.
Advantage.
Yeah.
Go get a goal. Get there. Someone get there.
And they're pretty fast.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but our girls, like, they don't look fast a lot.
Like, once that kick is made, they don't come back.
No, they just kick and
They're
watch.
just like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, they don't attack the ball. Like, they need to be more aggressive.
Hey, Callie! Way to
job,
go!
Get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get it.
No, you know what? Go on.
Come on, Emily!
Yeah, that's. Go find
Come on, dribble it. Pass it well.
and follow him. He puts almost all the stuff. Follow his stuff. It does everything.
Go, Emily, go.
Come on!
Stay on it, girls.
Is that Callie?
Oh,
Come on, go get the ball.
Why am I paying you when I can post everything? What are they? But it's
Oh, mine, it was off ground. I understand.
it's all free right there. This guy here.
Okay, now see when most of them are down this way, that's
Oh,
hold on, hold on.
I'm just cold, sorry.
What happened now?
Come on, girls. Go get it.
on, Riley.
Go get that goal.
Come on,
Help each
Riley!
other.
Pass!
Come on, girls. Give us some good passes.
Good, Luna.
Come on, go. Move around, girls. Should be more
on,
than one
May,
girl
come on.
moving.
Oh, that's out.
No, it's not out yet.
Now, almost.
Way to go,
Almost,
May!
almost.
Way to go!
Great job.
Oof. Oops. I'm still doing this. I'm freezing. Oh no, my legs are starting to get burnt. Who cares?
Mark up.
Oh.
Hey, Blue. Get that goal.
Come on!
Move around and help each other.
Nope.
Nobody
Passing.
there. Out! Out!
Push up, push up,
Come on, hurry up!
It's out right here.
Come on, Scarlett.
Throw it to somebody.
Come
Come on,
on!
girls, go help. Get set up, set up.
Go 17. Nice, Lena. Right ahead.
Come on.
This half's almost over.
What is the score now?
I think it's 3-0.
3-0. Yeah.
Almost 4, but that didn't count.
This team is almost a whole year older. Some of them are almost 15.
This is 14.
Yeah. Yeah.
They got wheels, man.
Yeah, some of them are like almost 15.
All right, Melina.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Yeah, if somebody would get in
That's how
position.
you kick it upfield.
Yeah.
Get ready. Go get the ball. Go get it.
Come on, guys.
I know it'd be nice not to
Keep
get
that ball. It's your ball.
skunked.
Come on.
We've been close 3
Get in
times.
front of it.
Come on, Riley.
Keep on it. Keep on it. Stay 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 tough, girls. You're doing good. Stay up.
Hey,
Keep
somebody.
it up. Keep it up, girls. You guys got this.
Blue, come on. Okay.
Good passes, ladies.
Good job, ref.
Get ready, girls. Go help when you're up there. Get up there and help. Back each other up.
Kick it like Beckham. Come on.
Hit it
Wait.
hard, Nate. Pass it way out.
There you go.
Up. Little bit to the side.
Good try, number 9.
Okay.
Mark up, girls.
Get ready,
Come on.
girls. It's time to stay.
I started a little bit.
on
Get it back
Get
up
on it.
there.
Get on it. Get on it. These are all bunched
Come
up.
on.
We each need a person to guard. Nice,
Good.
Luna.
Come on, come on.
Come on, girls. Stay on it. Stay on
Nice,
it.
Luna.
Good work. Stay on it, girls.
Playing really good today.
Yeah.
Keep
Come
going.
on.
Kick it.
Nice
There you
shot.
go.
Karima.
Get it upfield.
Nice. Keep
Go,
going.
Karima.
Your whole count.
Move up, girls. Move up.
Daughter.
Get up there. Get up
Come on,
higher.
come on. Oh, don't
Go,
wait.
go.
Jeez. We can't wait.
Is doing really good.
I'm just not watching for some reason. Oof. I didn't do that. Sucks. I'm shivering.
Come on, Blue. Score one, score one. Come on.
Come on, work it. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, girls. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball and pass. Good.
Come on, May. Come on.
Stay in front. Get your person.
Come on, Callie.
Move up, girls. Move up. Good job, babe. Now get that ball, girls. Come on. Move up. We want this goal.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Third numbers.
Go get it. Hey, defense. Move up.
You got numbers.
Oh.
It's a corner though, right?
Yeah.
That was a good try.
Yeah.
Good try, Karima.
That would have actually put us ahead. I mean, that's how they're playing really competitively well.
Yeah, they're doing good.
Oh,
They haven't rolled over. They're not giving up.
they haven't even felt that hard.
They are hanging in there.
And they haven't been being dramatic.
No, they're not dramatic. The other team.
They're just dramatic. They're just fake. They're fakers.
Pass it around.
Something foul.
What happened?
I don't know.
What did he just call?
There you go.
Turn around. Turn around. Mark up. Mark up.
Come on. Come on.
Whoa.
You gotta beat her.
Come
Beat her.
Come on.
No.
Wow. That was amazing.
Yeah.
It's taking so long.
Okay, this time, May. Don't kick it back.
What'd you do to it?
All right, Blue.
Come on. Get one. Get one.
Turn it around. Nice. Stay on it.
Keep going, Scar. Come on, Emily.
Guys got
Keep going,
numbers.
girls.
Come on.
Go, baby. Go up. You're
Come
open.
on.
You're open.
Oh, man. There you go.
Nice. Keep going.
He dropped it.
Come on.
Now it happened.
She used her hand. Or hit her hand.
Come on, May.
Come on, girls. Nice. Good, Boo. Get up there. Go get it.
Nice, Lena. Way to stay tough.
There you go.
Go, Lena.
Come on.
Yeah.
So, on your list.
Stay in front.
Lena.
Stay
Come
in
on.
front.
Come on.
Good.
Come on,
Hustle.
May.
Faster.
That's the way, May. Go after. Come on.
Good job, Riley.
Go.
Push it, ladies. Push it.
Come on.
Yeah, girls. Go.
Push it
Spread
up.
out.
Push it
Make
up.
space.
Come on, girls.
Go help. Go help. Gotta help.
Come on.
Get your person. Good job, Adrian.
Good.
Or is that Clem? That was Clem.
That was number 3.
Wait, is that? Is that
Huh?
I wish they would have been able to score more.
I don't. Yeah, I know. I mean, they got close.
Stay aggressive, girls. Come on, stay focused.
Come on.
Get it out of there.
Come on, Luna.
Clear it out. Clear it out. Good job, Lena. Get up there. Go get the ball. Somebody. Somebody get the ball.
Come on, Karima. Come on.
Pass it. Pass.
Come on, Meg. Get in there.
Well, I don't know. You're doing too much for me.
There you go.
Nice, May. Nice.
Get that position, Lena.
Come on.
Go up, girls. Go up.
Come on.
Keep going.
Come on.
Come on, girls. Get up there. Put the pressure on.
Pass it.
That's it.
You okay?
Come on, ladies.
Come on, guys.
Put that pressure on, girls. Come on. You got this. Get ready. Get ready, girls.
But if you look at it, you can see this is the this is the
Let's go, strikers.
Oh. If she didn't have her back there, that.
Come on, girls. Help out.
Come on.
Get up there.
I mean, you can see
Great shot, great kick, Tessa.
So it's probably safe. It's probably another couple.
Good job, girls. Great kick, Tessa.
Use these extensions to calculate.
What time is it, Mom?
It's almost over, baby.
No.
Good job.
Mark up, girls. Mark up. Look.
I'm in front.
It's crazy. Okay, so.
Get it, mate. Good girl. Good job. Flip it around
Come on,
now.
Lily.
So your golden ratio is 6.8.
Turn it.
6.8
Stay on it.
These are also the options.
Get it, mate.
There you go.
Get it.
That's it, Lena. Good job.
That was a
Go,
great.
Karima.
Come on.
Nice, Karima.
Good job.
Come on, Karima.
Go, Karima. Go. Go, Karima.
Nice pass.
That's it.
Get up there, girls.
Go after it.
Oh, what time is it, Mommy?
Just chill out, baby. It's almost done.
And then we're going to my game?
Your game's not till 12:45.
It's crazy.
That's funny.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh,
It's enough to try and hold it.
oh, yeah.
That's it.
Are you guys going home?